Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can undo the last changes and edits or adjustments in your documents on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. Let me just remove that sidebar here, or that handle. So guys, here on your document there are two ways on Inkscape how you can do this. Option number one, you navigate to the right sidebar, and let me, for instance, apply this change here. Let me resize that image. And you will see that undo button here to the right. Click into it and that is going to undo it. The other option would be to use the shortcut. If you hover your mouse over that button, you will see the shortcut is Ctrl-Z. Of course, if using a Mac, it will be Command-Z. So let me use that shortcut, Ctrl-Z, and as you can see, the last edit has been changed or undone. And you can repeat this, for example, if you have added multiple changes. Let me apply one and another one. Let me reposition that image. And if I click into or use the shortcut Ctrl-Z once, twice, and three times, you will see that all three changes have been undone. So you can go back in the history of your changes and edits by using that option, guys. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.